Hi everyone, my name is Una Closia and today I'm going to be giving you a short presentation on Protandim Nrf1 Synergizer. I'm just going to give you a little background as into what is the link between Nrf1 and mitochondria function. So maintaining peak cell function is essential when it comes to healthy aging and preserving your youth. To keep your cells working at full capacity, all structures within the cell must also be functioning efficiently and effectively. Very important. But unfortunately, as we know, there are many destructive forces as well as a natural deterioration process that threaten the health of our cells by interrupting the function of a key cell structure, which is the mitochondria. The destructive forces can include both internal and external factors, and these can disrupt our cell function by increasing levels of free radicals. Now, while we know that in small amounts, free radicals can act as signaling molecules and help the body respond to changes in its environment, the problem actually arises when the free radical load increases to a level where the body's ability to defend against their harmful effects, the body is not able to do that. So high levels of free radicals can damage our cell structures, and particularly the mitochondria, which can eventually interfere, as we'll show now, with overall cell function. And as we age, the process of mitochondrial biogenesis becomes less efficient also, which impacts the number and functionality of mitochondria in the cell, which compromises cell function. So this is where Nrf1 comes into play. And we're looking at how, when activated, it turns on genes that encode for protein involved in the respiratory chain, as well as in mitochondria DNA transcription and replication. So in other words, Nrf1 stimulates the production of proteins that are needed for cellular energy production, and proteins also involved in the making of new healthy mitochondria. So by using the signals from the environment to activate Nrf1, we can support the health of our cells if and when your body's ability to carry out mitochondrial biogenesis is compromised. And that could be as a result of either oxidative stress, which we've heard a lot about previously in the previous video on Nrf2, or the body's natural deterioration process. So Nrf1 is a transcription factor that activates the expression of genes regulating cell growth, respiration, and mitochondrial DNA transcription and replication. Nrf1 stands for nuclear respiratory factor 1. This is a protein-coding gene that functions as a positive regulator of nuclear genes involved in mitochondrial biogenesis. Protandim Nrf1 is a breakthrough in nutrigenomics, and that for me was probably the most exciting thing that I'd heard about that with Nrf2. And it uses all natural ingredients to harness the power of youth and fight against aging. Mitochondrial biogenesis is the process by which new mitochondria are formed in the cell. And this is activated by many different signals during times of cellular stress or in response to environmental stimuli such as exercise. So you may say, Protandim Nrf1, why take this product? Well, if we look at a couple of things, this is the second most critical component to good health, is mitochondria. A healthy mitochondria force translates to peak mitochondrial function and sufficient ATP production. And the result of this is that we're going to have promotion of cellular health, which leads to peak function or working capacity of body organs and systems, especially those with high energy demands, such as the brain, the heart, and skeletal muscle. So in other words, our body organs are being supplied with the energy they need to carry out their day-to-day functions, which positively impact whole body function. Some examples of this could include that the heart has more energy available to pump blood throughout the body, helping to provide your organs with the with the oxygen and nutrients they need to function. And also the brain has more energy available to send and receive messages which support all our body functions: voluntary, thinking, walking, breathing, and involuntary, which would be like digesting food or pumping blood. And also our skeletal muscles have more energy available to help with movement and maintenance of posture. We have a greater ability to sustain high levels of activity without fatiguing, enhanced physical performance, enhanced endurance capacity, increased exercise tolerance, and slowing the cellular aging process by preventing excessive free radical production by the mitochondria, and secondly, by supporting chromosome integrity. So this is why we should be taking this product. It's formulated to strengthen our mitochondria. Many diseases are directly linked to dysfunctional mitochondria. Mitochondria, as I've just said, are essential for maintaining the energy required for every single cellular process in your body. And Nrf1 powers your body to produce more mitochondria and protect the ones you have. And everything we need to do, we need energy. It produces new, more powerful mitochondria, which gives you more energy and feel younger. So Protandim Nrf1, what does it do? As I said, it rebuilds your mitochondria, it boosts mitochondria production, makes more mitochondria, enhances energy levels at a cellular level, you stay active and energetic, it improves performance through energy production, enhances cellular health, cells function at peak performance, and that's what we're looking for. And increases cellular ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. It's able to store and transport cellular energy. And the body then works more efficiently. So why this product? Protandim Nrf1 is designed to work in tandem with our flagship product, Protandim Nrf2 Synergizer, to further enhance our body's ability to naturally produce its own antioxidants and reduce the effects of cellular stress on its own. So one focuses on reducing oxidative stress, which is our Nrf2 Protandim, and the other on activating our mitochondrial function, which is Protandim Nrf1. Protandim Nrf1 Synergizer is formulated to strengthen the mitochondria for better cellular health. And the biggest thing here is that your flagship product, Protandim Nrf2, must be taken before or at the same time as taking Nrf1. Nrf1 is not to be taken without Nrf2. So here we have the ingredients, and I'll also go through a little bit of the benefits of the ingredients in Nrf1. So we have acetyl-carnitine, quercetin, grapeseed, alpha-lipoic acid, and coenzyme Q10. So the acetyl-L-carnitine, this is an amino acid, so it's a building block for proteins, and this is naturally produced in the body. It enhances either mitochondrial DNA transcription, the stability of mitochondrial mRNA, or mitochondrial protein synthesis. So combined with alpha-lipoic acid, these two ingredients boost the mitochondria production, supports healthy cellular aging, and protects against normal oxidation of RNA and mitochondria. Then we have our quercetin. This is a naturally occurring antioxidant itself, and it's abundant in various fruits and vegetables. It is an Nrf1 activator that promotes mitochondria biogenesis again and helps prevent mitochondrial decay. Quercetin contains polyphenols that help to produce the protect the mitochondria and their function, which supports ATP synthesis, which is the energy. Grape extract. This extract, which is made from the whole grape, so we're talking about the seeds, the pulp, and the skin. It contains powerful natural polyphenols known to have anti-aging capabilities. The bioactives help activate the Nrf1 protein and other anti-aging pathways. Then your ALA. This is made in the body and helps to turn glucose into energy that the cell can use. ALA is able to neutralize free radicals because of its thiol groups and because it is both fat and water soluble. It can therefore protect all parts of the cell, including the mitochondria, from these free radicals. So ingesting ALA has two benefits. It is already made, so it helps compensate when the aging body makes less of it, and also it neutralizes free radicals that escape the path towards making ATP. And then we have coenzyme Q10. This itself is made in the body and resides primarily in the mitochondria itself, where it plays a key role in transporting electrons, so ATP, again, which is energy, is made. So ingesting coenzyme Q10 has two benefits. It is already made, so it helps compensate when the aging body makes less of it and it carries electrons towards their final destination, the making of ATP. And combined with ALA, it supports cellular energy levels, stress response, and antioxidant defense mechanisms. So here we activate. Why should you take Nrf1 and Protandim Nrf2? You activate your Nrf2 protein to enable natural antioxidant production to reduce oxidative stress, and you repair and rejuvenate your damaged cells and protect the cells from free radical damage. Then you activate your Nrf1 pathway and it increases cellular ATP, which improves performance through energy production. You enhance your cellular health and repair, and you create new mitochondria and their ability to network. And you slow cellular aging by supporting chromosome integrity. Thank you.